Before going ahead and starting an online business, there are 5 things that are super important to consider, and I'm going to cover exactly what those things are in this video. As you're watching, by the way, if you hit like, and also if you have any questions or any perspectives to share or anything to add as well, comment below, and don't forget to hit subscribe because I do 3 videos like this every single week to help with mindset and business and so on and so forth. Now, point number 1 before starting an online business is that we've got to get crystal clear about the reasons why we're doing it. And the reason this is crucial is so many of us will start a business and then we'll work on it for maybe a couple of weeks, and then things will get a bit tough and things will get a bit uncertain. And without that crystal clear reason why, without that pull motivation of something bigger than us that's going to mean we overcome our own feelings when we don't feel like it, without that, we will give up and we will quit. So we've got to understand why we're doing it. Is it we're sick of the career that we're working in, and we've looked at the next 20, 30 years of how our life's going to pan out if we don't change, and maybe we've realised that it's a non-negotiable. We're not willing to stay in that environment for the rest of our lives doing something that we hate and not really living life at all. Maybe it's spending time with family, watching kids grow up. Maybe it's travelling the world, seeing the world until we're too old to do it, or until we're settled down and it's not really an option anymore. Whatever that reason why you're doing this, whatever that reason is, we've got to get crystal clear about it. If it's just, I just kind of want to make a bit more money online because I don't really know why, but I just want to earn some money, and that's the only motivation, it's not going to cut it. Things will get hard, and then we will quit when they get hard. So get clear about your reasons why. And once you've done that as well, just sort of a follow-up tip on this point is, if you can find mentors, find people who have already achieved the result and are already living that life that you want to live, find those people, and then you can model those people or look at what they've done, and that's going to give you a little bit of a roadmap of how you can do it too. Okay? Number 2 is, are you focused on giving value? Now, again, off the back of point number 1, if all we're doing this for is, I just want to make some money and that's kind of it, then we're not going to be building a business or even creating anything that adds value to the world. And if it doesn't add value to the world, chances of getting success are almost zero. The key in business is giving value, helping people solve their pains and problems. Right? Helping people find solutions to their pains and problems. And the better you are at doing that, the more effective you're going to be in business. Revenue is a byproduct of value. And if we're starting off with the intention of, I just want to make money and I don't really care what I do, I just want to find the most profitable thing to sell online and that's it, then we're not focused on giving value, and we're not ultimately going to be creating something that helps people, and therefore revenue is probably not going to maintain in the long term. You might get a quick flash in the pan, bit of cash here or there, but ultimately you're not going to create a long-term sustainable platform and foundation that's going to enable you to live a different life than what you're living now. It's got to start with value, right? And it doesn't mean you need to necessarily know exactly what you're going to do or exactly what niche or product or service or whatever. You don't need to know everything, but you just need to be clear that your intentions are to help people, to help make the world better, or maybe even not that scale, but to help make a difference in someone's lives by solving someone's pains and problems, right? Giving them a product that is a solution to something that they want to solve. So that intention is super important. And then number 3 is to align your interests with market demand. Because it's all very well having an interest in a specific area, but if nobody online is searching for solutions or to that area, and if nobody has any interest in that area whatsoever, then it's not really going to be very wise to build a business behind it. All right. So on one hand, you don't want to build a business that's just motivated by, I just want to make money and I'm not interested in value, which is point 1 and 2. But on the other hand, you also don't want to build a business that's around your passions, but where nobody online has any interest in that area at all. So a really powerful tool to use to start to align your interests with market demand is a tool called Keywords Everywhere. So just Google search Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension. And what it does is when you're on Google and when you're on YouTube, it's going to show you the amounts of people who are typing that search term that you've just typed into Google or YouTube. So the way that you would use this is, if you imagine that say you get a business idea or you have an area that you might be interested in, think about the types of pains or problems that people may experience in that area, and then think about what would they type in a search engine, or Google or YouTube, what would they type to potentially try to solve that pain or problem, or what would they be looking for online? And then if you pretend that you are your target customer, go through a journey as if you're them, type things, click websites, learn stuff, come up with other ideas, type new things, go on a bit of an exploratory journey as if you were trying to solve that pain or problem, and pay attention to the search volumes of keywords that people are typing. And that's going to give you a bit of an idea of whether there's a demand there. And once you can find a bit of correlation between something you're interested in, or you have a bit of a passion around, and something that the market actually needs, that's going to give you an idea of where to focus your attention and how to start building a business behind that. And then, by the way, if as you're going through this process, if you want to start learning the different types of business models that you could build a business around, then there's a video that I did, which you can click in the top corner, how to make money online, where I focus on the two primary business models, which in my opinion are best for time, financial and geographical freedom, right? That's affiliate marketing and e-commerce. Now, number 4 is that we have to be willing, when we're starting this journey, we have to be willing to take action in the face of uncertainty. And what I mean by that is that as we're learning completely new skills, we're going into completely uncharted territory, and there's many times that you'll have literally none of the answers except a vague, rough idea of where you might want to go. So for example, let's say you've uncovered a bit of an area that you want to focus your attention in, like around your passions, where you've noticed there's a bit of market demand, and maybe you've decided that e-commerce, based on what you've looked at on YouTube videos, maybe you decide that e-commerce is about the way to go, and maybe you've got a couple of mentors who you found online who build e-commerce businesses, maybe even that focus in that same area that you're interested in. And so you have a vague, rough roadmap of maybe roughly what to do, but you know nothing more other than you want to build a website on Shopify, but you've got no real idea how to do that. And even when you've done that, you've got no clue how you're going to market it, where you're going to get traffic from. You've literally got no idea, except that you kind of need to build a Shopify store. Now, for a lot of people in that situation, they'd be completely paralyzed, right? They'd want to find all the answers, see the whole roadmap, see every step they're going to take, and figure all of that out before they'll even take action. That is the absolute wrong way to be stepping into this world. You've got to be willing to go, you know what? I know nothing about what I'm going to do when I get there. All I know right now is that I'm going to build a Shopify store. So I'm literally just going to start learning how to build a Shopify store. And as you do that, you take more steps forward. You'll begin to learn more about what you need to do after that, and things will start to open up in front of you. And so point 4 is that you just absolutely have to trust in yourself that you'll figure it out each time you take steps forward. The key is constant, consistent action. The second that we paralyze ourselves because we can't see the path ahead, we're done, right? So be willing to take action in the face of uncertainty. And then point number 5 is that you have to be in the mindset of whatever it takes. You are not going to quit, you will not give up, and you will keep going until you succeed. If any part of you is starting this journey with any sort of mindset around, oh well, look, if this hasn't worked in 30 days or 3 months, then yeah, I'm probably not going to be interested. I want to start seeing results quite quickly, and if I don't, I'm going to give up. Like, if that dialogue's going on in the background, don't even bother starting. Again, think of the gym analogy. If somebody joins the gym and they're like, well, look, if I don't start seeing that I have 6-pack abs in the next 30 days, I'm probably going to quit. I'm going to stop going. I'm going to stop doing the workouts. I'll stop taking the action. There's other things really that are more important to me. How likely is it that person's going to succeed? It's not going to happen. You know, it's the people who show up with the intention of, I don't care how long this takes, I don't care what I have to do, I literally will keep going until I make it happen. This is me now, this is my new way of life, I'm going to be like this for the next 3, 5, 7, 10 years. Like, this is the path I'm going down. It's do or die, it's whatever it takes, I will never quit, and I can fail 1,000 times, and if I do that, I'll either succeed eventually or I'm going to die trying. One of those two things are going to happen. That's the mindset that somebody has to be in. Whatever it takes, this is my path now. This is my future. And for someone who's in that mindset, when it gets hard, when it gets challenging, when they don't see the results, they will fight through those challenges and they will make it happen. But somebody who's not in that mindset, who's like, yeah, if it gets a bit hard, I'm going to give up. Or if I don't see results in 30 to 90 days, I'm going to give up. It's going to get hard and you're going to give up. Simple as that. So make sure before you start this journey, you are willing and you are committed and you know that whatever happens, this is the path that you want to go down now. You've got to be in that mindset. So if after watching this, you're now like, yeah, I'm ready, I want to make this happen, I'm clear about the reasons why I'm doing it, I'm focused on giving value to people, not just, making money and that's the only motivation. I've also aligned my interests with market demand. I'm in the mindset of being willing to step into uncertainty. I don't have to figure it all out before I take any action. And finally, I'm in the mindset of whatever it takes, I'm not going to quit. If that's you, then in the top corner right now, you'll be able to click to watch the next video, which is how to make money online, how to actually start to look at different business models that are going to enable you to put all of this into action. All right, so click that, watch that video. Also, hit like if you've enjoyed this, comment below if you have any perspective to share, and don't forget to hit subscribe, which you should see in the bottom corner right now. All right, so thanks very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope this is valuable, and I'll see you in the next video where you can start learning how to make money online. Bye for now.